Don't download Intercom Enterprise iMessaging app before watching this. Before you download Intercom Enterprise iMessaging, here's the reality. It's far more than just a chatbot. At the enterprise level, Intercom offers AI-powered messaging, automated workflows, and deep customer insights, but most companies get this wrong by assuming it works out of the box. Step 1. Define your customer engagement goals. Decide whether your priority is lead generation, support, or retention. Most people get this wrong by implementing AI without a clear strategy, resulting in missed opportunities. Step 2. Configure AI correctly. Set up chat routing, automated responses, and personalized messaging. The surprising truth is, poorly configured AI can frustrate customers and reduce conversions instead of improving them. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and marketing platforms. Without proper integration, valuable customer data remains siloed, and your insights are incomplete. Step 4. Monitor performance continuously. Track response times, customer satisfaction, and engagement metrics. Teams that ignore these numbers risk underperforming campaigns and lost revenue. The upside? With proper implementation, Intercom Enterprise AI can boost lead capture by 25%, increase customer satisfaction scores, and streamline support operations across large teams. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization is ready to define engagement goals, set up AI carefully, integrate with existing systems, and actively analyze performance. For smaller teams, a standard Intercom plan may be enough. Subscribe for practical strategies to leverage iMessaging effectively at scale.